nam csak ratontukkal. Tuntuk haza, seinem Zaljarmodan, Moji birmot futelitukkal. Pengman kaza, makar kelem, Sukachinkaran voron katlem. Sokliankva chole kaizahun Aduraru makakelem Sokliankva chole kaizahun Aduraru makakelem.
I started going to Yolanda's gallery because I liked the dome and I liked the light and shade and the play, the way it moves across the floor during the day. But then I also found it was the acoustics were fantastic. The dome seems to funnel the sound. So I crept in there with my guitar in the early morning when there was nobody in there and played. But then I met Rudy and Yolanta, and I started playing at some of the exhibitions. So I met a lot of artists. So now I have a lot of new friends, lots of beer, lots of late nights, and lots of fish, of course, because it's Goa. Fantastic fish, as well as to go and look at the art. And I like the art and the music together.